Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So it is an session coming Felicia went well and it was a success. Yes, and everyone is happy. She's getting flowers left, right, center. Kodwa ukhona umuntu ongaphathekanga kahle, which is uGabriel. Always nje, if something happens nje, yena is going to get heartbreaking. He's telling umsizi that yena he tried to pursue Felicia to go to the studio but create an album that would be like a massive thinking, but Felicia didn't want that. Gabriel feels like Felicia was pretending all these years, 15 years wonke umshado njena angafuni kungena naye studio akhiphe album. She didn't want to come out of retirement for all those years. It makes him feel like Felicia was pretending all these years to love him, even she was not. Kobona ba celebrating Marona was nominated, Wasitsana nominated, and Ishmael Nai was nominated, and Ishmael took it upon himself to go and search for an apartment and went there na Kukwin without Ufistosi and took everything. When they went there, no Fistos was surprised, thinking that Sticks is back, guys, and took everything. And Ishmael and I was pretending to be surprised, and he said, like, you know what? I think I know a place where these people will take our things versus a cone. Let's go. Let's go there. Bafika laphana and Ishmael was like, you know what? This is our new apartment, 2-bedroom, bruh. This is your key. You have your own bedroom. Yo, Fistos are such a blanca. But yo, cause I've never had a bedroom. This one is excited. As in happy as happy. Gabriel went to the Tabetes and wayenikeza uFelicia ama-flowers wakhe, and he was like, you know what, this album is the album of the albums, and it's very, very sad that you didn't want to do it with me. And uFelicia was like, nami yazini mina I'm happy. Was uGabriel yazini nami kahle I'm happy. Maroon is excited to being nominated. Now Ishmael kanjalo, and uFelicia feels like they deserve to win, regardless of how she feels about Umarona and relationship yakhe no Bonko. But yena, she feels like Umarona deserves it because you know what, Lipimbo like Gabriel always says, like an angel. You understand? And once they were celebrating at Genesis, Mapoisa came with a search warrant. They searched the place, and turns out that they found Ama. And when they went out, Mapepanda were already there. Felicia tried to get hold of Ulutlotlo, but their lawyer, but she was nowhere to be found. Turns out Ukuzibatzilama drugs are with Genesis, so Genesis knows something about it. Sanibonani. Sanibona. Kusifo yini? Is it some sort of a disease that Gabriel has? Is there some type of a disease that Gabriel has that every time when something good happens, every time when something that benefits other people and he's not involved, he wants to do something about it, just to destroy it, to tarnish your name so that things doesn't happen. When you take it back to like previous episodes, Gabriel knew that Umarona has like the greatest album ever. And now he knew that Basetsana's album is on its way. Release from a Revelations record. What did he do, Gabriel? He went and leaked that album. So Genesis made nothing from that one. And he crippled Genesis to the point whereby he wanted to buy it out. But because in the papers, in the contract of the marshal holders and all that, there was a clause that said that they need to have the Genesis, the members that already are called as marshal holders, to give them an offer first before they can go out and buy and sell them shares to someone else. And Gabriel was ready to buy those shares. Like he had a presentation and all that. But somehow they managed to buy those shares from the shareholders by Hambela and Jena. And that broke Gabriel. That's when the whole garden came. And when Gabriel felt like this one is going to be a success, because he knows like something that is going to be a success before by success, he went to the station and said that he's going to be part of the garden and all that. But the Genesis was like, you lie like that in the public eye, we're going to have you arrested. And he had to go and retract everything that he said about that concert. And that even broke him so much. So now every time when Genesis is winning, Gabriel is always waiting. He doesn't let anything slide, bro. He took a contract, he took a opportunity that was meant for Ishmael to go to America and make sure that Satan is the one who gets it, right? Everything that Gabriel has done show us that he doesn't want something good to happen to someone else. Only he and Revelations Records are the ones that deserve to be flourishing, and the ones that deserve to be on the radio station, on TVs, are the ones who deserve to have like successful concert and successful artists. And Genesis has nothing to do with that. Even if Revelations Records get something great, they don't do anything, they don't say anything, they don't go around tarnishing his name, or they don't try to do something that would make him look bad to public and all that, just to take away the effort jack and all that. But uGabriel akakhohlwa shem. uGabriel akaforgethi. He's always like, you know what, when they do something, I'm gonna be there. And I feel like, yo, guys, whoever is doing this Genesis thinging is giving us the same thing over and over again. I'm sorry to say this, because we've seen the Tabiters trying their level best in each and everything that they do. And when they excel, Gabriel is just around the corner to send in Mapoisa to go and search in Zaviabo for drugs. And they never found them. Over and over again. He even said that, one day, you guys continue doing what you're doing. Ne? One day and he was not lying, because this time around he felt like Felicia and Bongo making this album and the eBay success kangaka and people wanting to buy and everything was the last straw. And he said, no more nice man, no more Mr. Nice Guy. I'm going to unleash everything. And the worst part of it is that he's using the police force to do that. Ubongo try to get it resolved with Lamemapoisa involving them, and to say that maybe you can do research and all that, all to find the woods. Hey, Gabriel's hand can go to the highest chair. You know, that's South African law. We have a law that is there, but it's not used. Only the ones who have money can be able to use the law. And this shows that they do have money, the Tabiters, but they're not using it. Each and every time Gabriel will always come. This time around, they found drugs lapana ku Genesis Records, right? Fast, quick in the hair. Now my question is, because you guys, Bongo and your mom, know that Gabriel is always just round the corner. Gabriel is always ready. When you do something good, when you do something that is going to be profitable for a Genesis Record, Gabriel is always right around the corner. Didn't they plan anything for this one? They didn't plan anything. They're just like, we're gonna check out this album, we're gonna have this listening session and the way success, and then we don't have anything up our sleeve. Because now they're going to be arrested, right? For what? For something that they might or might not know. If they don't know anything about these drugs, they don't know anything about these drugs. The police came in and then but they found them there because they've been raiding them for a while now, over and over. I think every week or after 2 weeks, there's a raid. If when you are mentally stable and you are a drug lord, would you take drugs to a place whereby someone will just come anytime? Won't you? I don't think so. Number two, they didn't take any precautions, Bona, as they're being harassed each and every time by the police and they don't have anyone to go to. Yeah, understand? Didn't they do anything about it? Boma cameras in hidden places so that they can go back and check those cameras if very those who are in there, or one of the police officers put them there and took them out and said like, this is what I found or something. So they didn't have a plan. Now they're trying to get hold of their lawyer. Court lawyer was always like ready. She's always ready, but this time around she's not to be found. And somehow the journalist got hold of that fast quick. I feel like uGabriel unemona lona angalawuleki. unemono that needs maphilisi for him to be able to accept other people's success without him. And I feel like the Tabeters should have been ready for this one. Honestly speaking, because Gabriel has been after them like Songeles Katsi, and coming there ending to say that I'm coming here to congratulate you and something, Felisha should have known because something is coming. Gabriel doesn't just show up and be nice. I feel like they should have done in something, a plan, man.